actually.
Yeah, it's a little scary.
He's actually a sex trafficker, and that's epic.
Yeah.
No, literally, this dude is like a deep-rooted misogynist. Like, scary.
So, Andrew Tate has sent a cease and desist letter through his lawyer to Ethan Klein, H3 Productions. Now, this video is going to be answering the question of whether Ethan Klein can be sued for defamation and if Andrew Tate is likely to win. Now, H3 Productions is actually based in California. So, given the fact that Ethan Klein makes all his videos in California, it's likely if he was sued for defamation, the venue, which means the place that the court case would take place, is likely to be California. Now, if you look at the Californian defamation laws, they explain what Andrew Tate would have to prove in order to win the defamation suit. First of all, we're going to go straight to a few examples of H3, Ethan Klein, making statements about Andrew
But they're
Tate.
obviously very bad dudes. They literally kidnap people. They're criminals. Yeah, so here's the expectation of what Cobra Taint does, and here's the reality. He's actually on the school bus.
Oh, no.
He like I said, he grooms, he gets them young, and just like a model scout, you know, for his webcam thing.
Now, the problem with that statement there by Ethan Klein is that there is no proof. Now, proof would actually constitute a conviction or other similar proof of such instances by Andrew Tate, but there isn't any, to my knowledge.
Recently rebuilt an entire orphanage because there's an orphanage problem in Romania. I did this.
You didn't build an orphanage. Shut up. The Tate Foundation, that's probably just a funnel for sex trafficking.
Now, if you go to section 46 of the California Civil Code, that actually defines what statute Andrew Tate is likely to bring suit under. Now, section 46 gives a definition of what is called slander, and slander is a false and unprivileged publication orally uttered and also communications by radio or any mechanical or other means. Basically, what does that jargon mean? It simply says if you're saying something that is false and untrue, you can be sued for slander. Specifically, the first section of section 46 states that if that false statement deals with charging a person with having committed a crime or being indicted or convicted or punished for a crime that they're not actually that they've not committed, then that would constitute slander. Now, given that Andrew Tate is essentially considered a public figure, Californian law would have to prove that there's a higher standard you have to meet, which is called actual malice. So there has to be some negative intent. It can't simply be accidental. You have to intend to actually injure a person's character. However, given the animus between H3 and Andrew Tate, that may not be the most difficult thing to prove. So it'll be interesting to see how this case pans out. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe.